Yeah.
My name is Minh, and today I gonna represent my project. So it's about AI driven Socratic scaffolding. Um, we are looking at how to revolutionize the traditional multi-point classroom technique by integrate retrieval-augmented generation to create a real-time thinking coach for students. Agenda. So today, I will take you guys through the full cycle of my research into the Socratic scaffolding. We can see all your topics. So in your slide here, introduction. So our introduction center on three pillars. First, the background. Why the Muddiest bond technique has been around since 1989. It's traditionally manual and slow. This leads to our problem statement, the latency of confusion. Students often wait 24 to 72 hours for feedback, during which time their momentum is lost. My motivation is to bridge this gap using drag technology, providing a scalable, inexpensive way to offer high-dose tutoring that doesn't just give answer, but encourage metacognition. Relay work. So in reviewing the literature, several key themes emerge. Research by Thomas and Hornsey so that students often lack the reflexive skill to identify their own gap, like that called pedagogy gap. Technically, the synergy between an AI parametric memory and cost-specific non-parametric memory is what makes this project possible. It will reduce hallucination. Most importantly, study by Wax so that why AI increase speed, a scored approach is necessary to ensure we aren't sacrifice critical thinking for immediate answer. Um, with your approach, now moving into this slide, the unique value here by what I call scored turn. Instead of standard AI that just provide answer for stack this, I'm gonna use Python vector database to store and retrieve specific course material, ensure our AI is ground and accurate. System logic, we're gonna use fast API to communicate with ChatGPT file, but with a specific guardrail. AI will be the answer assistant. The goal is programmed to identify your knowledge gap and ask scaffolded questions to guide, turning your tool into a scalable thinking coach rather than just a search engine. Data collection. Because of our tight project timeline, we focus entirely on secondary data to avoid 4 to 8 week or IB pro approval process. We collect data into two mainstream. First is our knowledge base. To make sure our AI is a true thinking coach, we grow it with a peer review material. We use OpenStack, um, Introduction to Computer Science textbook, and transcript from MIT OpenCourseware. This ensures your scored dialogue is always based on high quality academic fact rather than just general AI knowledge. And when we test the logic, since we couldn't use real student, we're gonna use two major datasets as proxy. Study chat gave up nearly like 17,000 real student prompt to see how they express confusion, and ChatGPT provide over like 3,000 human grade answer. They let us stress test the AI ability to spot mistake without review the answer. Um, Data analyst. First, we measure retrieve efficiency. We track contact precision to ensure our AI retrieve only high relevant textbook chunk. We also optimize the system B99 latency to stay under 33 milliseconds. This ensures real-time responsiveness because if the AI takes too long to respond, student will lose focus. Second, we analyze student behavior and error pattern. Using study chat log, we run a tag classifier to sort student prompt. This let us separate active learning behavior with it when students are just looking for widget or shortcut. With ChatGPT dataset, we group common mistakes into clusters to ensure our Socratic engine is targeting the actual root of your student confusion. Finally, we measure pedagogical quality. We use your ARS framework to calculate faithfulness. This ensures AI achieve a score of 95% or higher, meaning it's never hallucinate fast outside the course material. Finding, so when we examine our actual result, we evaluate technical infrastructure metric alongside with pedagogical quality to keep student engaged. We set a strict limit for your backend. As you can see here, we easy access them. Our Python contact retrieval complete in just 134 milliseconds, and entire end-to-end GPT generation took around 1.42 seconds. Our contact precision of 0.89 confirm we clean isolate textbook data in non-noisy element. Most importantly, we achieve a relevance score of like 0.76. That means 76% of multi-turn interaction. Socratic prompt successfully trigger positive conceptual shift. Conclusion. So to conclude, this project demonstrates that AI-driven tutor can move from a passive direct answer generator to an active thinking coach by proof that 100% answer refusal pipeline is technically viable, and we have built a highly scalable tool for real-time metacognitive intervention. So for your key reference, so this project is built on several foundation work, such as Lee 2025 on drag in education and Seneviret 2021 on limitation of traditional CAD. The source collectively validate that a hybrid intelligent model is the most effective path forward for school scalability. And I will go ahead and show you demo. Yeah. So I have already have one textbook. It's about Scrum Master book, and then I embed it into your database already. So let me go ahead and have some input already here. So I'm gonna ask the AI question. So and so behind the scene, student message it will be embedded. The icon will return the top 5 most similar chunks from your Scrum book, and GPT generate a response using only the concept. So you guys see like 5 relevant things, and then you guys can see like your answer from your chat, and then it's will ask you your question like at the end, like gonna keep asking to clarify more to make us to understand the concept deeper rather than just give your answer. And then if I try this one, so I'm gonna try rather than I try to think, and then I just try to ask, just give me the answer rather than like type your answer in here, and then so it's gonna flag out this trigger, like this one called low effort query detection. So your system gonna switch to a metacognitive nudge prompt. So it's gonna remind your student learning goal, and then it gives some more hint from the retrieving text, and then it's gonna asking another Socratic question rather than just give your student full answer. So this is audio demo. We can try more, like ask more question if we have time, but yes, I think it's good. And then I can go over your coding if you guys want, but I don't know like you guys will like it or not. But I will go over it in your Q&A question. So yeah, I mean this all from me. So it's for your Q&A question, and if you guys have any question, I can just go over and answer that.
Uh, yeah, Min.
Yes.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. Thank you for the presentation. Your demo is it's all good. I hope it helps the students uh to get out the muddiest points. It's all good, and your demo is great.
All right. All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. Then if no one have more questions, so I just give your turn to your next person.
Uh, yeah. No question from my end. Yeah.
Yes. So like if anyone don't have any question, I'm gonna just yeah give
Yeah.
you
If
yeah
any of the participants want to ask any questions from his project, you're all welcome.
yes. I'm gonna give like about 1 minute and then
Yeah.
yeah.
Um.
Yeah. All right. I think like no one
Yeah.
wanna.
Thanks. No one has a question for you.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, man, for the presentation.
Yes. Yes. All
Yeah.
right. Gonna give
Yeah.
to you next one.
Yeah.
Give me one.